Hey everybody, it's your car guy Steven Hill here, and I'm across the street at Extreme Off-Road and Performance, and check out the Defender that we're working on over here. I just got the Mudflaps and the chrome Scuff plate on the back, and we're putting a shadow kit on the car as well, so check it out. All right, so Extreme Off-Road and Performance, give them a little love. They do anything, I mean anything that you need for your car. You can handle it all. Here's my favorite one. Mike, I love you, man. Car looks awesome. Check out the rims. Vossen rims, put the custom red in the side vents. Extreme 1. Extreme. Big Daddy. Alright guys, I'm in the shop here at Extreme Off-Road and Performance, and check out the Defender behind me in Pangea green. We're putting a stealth package on it right there so far. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to install the wheel arch protection kit, which I already did a video on those, and then people were asking me if they're illuminated or not. Yeah, there's power to it, so they're illuminated, they're not reflectors. And also we're going to put a lift on this car, and then it's over here at Extreme to do the shadow package. So you see right now they've got this door and that back panel. They've already got the shadow package added to it. To do it properly, you got to take the door handles off so you're not trying to tuck it in underneath there. But check it out, here's before and after. And we also have the A-pillar that they've already done here on this side. So we'll get a lot of this knocked out today. And then another thing we're going to be doing is the mud flaps and also the rear scuff plate. Check out the back over here. We had to take the spare tire off the back to go and get the shadow package underneath there as well. It looks pretty cool with it just completely flat on the back of the car without the tire back there, but we'll be putting that back on. So check it out. I'm going to show you a little bit of a sneak peek of the mud flaps and the chrome scuff plate. All right, so I unwrapped the Land Rover mud flaps. They come in sets for the front and sets for the back. I think these are the rear mud flaps. Wanted to show you both sides and kind of what it looks like. I'll show you in a later video that it's pretty involved. You don't just screw these in. You've got to take the whole wheel well arch protectors out to get these in properly, and then you got to put the wheel arch protectors back in. So pretty cool. There's some accessories right here, yeah, just to get those bolted in properly. And I'm not gonna unwrap the other package. It's pretty much the same. All right, and here is the chrome scuff plate. Just wanted to give you kind of the tags or labels that go on that. Give me a second, I gotta unwrap this thing, so hold on. All right, so I got the tape cut on there. Let's unwrap this chrome scuff plate. Here's the instructions. Hold on, let me flip it around. There's your fitting instructions. QR code. They did a pretty good job protecting it. So there's the face plate. There is a plastic coating on there that makes it look blue. They'll peel that off when they're installing it. And then also you've got the adhesive on the back to hold it down. And you'll see two little white packages here. Check them out. This is the cleaner. And there's some adhesive. There you go. Hold on, let me wrap this back up. Alright, so over here, this is the back of the Defender again, where the scuff plate's gonna basically glue onto, and I'll try to get you a video of that as they finish that up as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Make sure you share with your friends. It really helps me. So here's some mud flaps already installed right here. You gotta take the wheel wells out in order to do it. I'll show you that in a second. But it looks like half of it goes underneath, and then the wheel well kind of fits up in there. Pretty involved. Here's the other side. And then this one has the step put on it right now. It's crazy, right? Wow. So you have to take the wheel wells out. This is our number one guy, Lewis. Taking care of business.